Hi mga Tyranatics, go lang sa Wheel of Fortune because in a few hours, i-reveal na ni Idol Tyron Onesa ang pahulaan niya for 1,000 euro. Could you imagine that? It's level up na. Kaya naman, wag na magpatumpik-tumpik pa, boom karakas na, charot. Kaya naman, yung get ready for your phone, make sure it's battery full, you have load also, and be ready for your eyes, making puyat-puyat and again. Kaya naman, pero sulit naman pag kayo nanalo, diba? It's 1,000 euro, my God, maybe it's 60,000 pesos, so diba? So, saan ka makakakuha mahula ka lang, then mananalo ka ng ganun, diba? So, good luck. And of course, God bless, Idol. And this is for you. And this is all for Tyranatics na sumasali sa Wheel of Fortune. Dito nagsimula ang lahat sa isang maliit na box. Nataranta ang lahat sa paghula ng laman ng box. Kaka-enjoy, kakapuyat, kakapraning ng utak. Pero sulit na sulit kapag ika'y nanalo dahil blessing niya'y para sa'yo. Kay Tyron Onesa na may Wheel of Fortune pa. Kay Tyron Onesa na may pera at laptop ka pa. O, diba guys? Kaya good luck everyone. Bye!